GPT-5 is out and I'm not impressed. They promised a PhD in your pocket, and I got an office clock. Let's talk about why I think the launch was a marketing scam than a milestone. Quick disclaimer. I paid for GPT Plus with my own money. No sponsorship here. I was hyped. I told you to expect something big, and I feel let down. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman pitched GPT-5 as PhD level, a team of PhDs in your pocket. That's the vibe they sold on launch day. But saying it and being it aren't the same thing. To be fair, OpenAI did post big benchmark jumps, fewer hallucinations, better coding, better writing, and new health evaluations. But putting numbers aside, the experience matters. OpenAI killed the model picker and made GPT-5 the default. People instantly missed for all, like a lot, within a day after a wave of Reddit backlash and bring back 4 posts. Altman said they would restore 4 as an option. And when a flagship launch forces you to backtrack on day 1, that is saying something. Users complained GPT-5 replies were shorter, flatter, and less creative. Some even said they canceled Plus over the forced upgrade. Whether you agree or not, that sentiment was loud. Media coverage split right down the middle. Some outlets echoed significantly leap. Others pointed out weird basic mistakes users spotted in the wide and questioned the hype to reality ratio. OpenAI insists GPT-5 hallucinates less and thinks more efficiently. Cool, but the launch also showed how fragile vibe and trust are. If your users feel like you took away their favorite model and replace it with a colder one, they will revolt. Benchmarks be damned. Meanwhile, competitors aren't spilling. Grok 4 and Google Gemini 2.5 have been flexing on reasoning and thinking time modes, and the public leaderboard chatter has been noisy. Elon even claimed Grok 4 outperformed GPT-5. Yes, that is marketing too. So this is the bottom line. Some tests put GPT-5 ahead, others give a nod to Gemini or Grok, and methodology matters a lot. Don't let cherry pick charts fool you. Look for independent apples to apples evaluation. Right now, GPT-5 feels like a great platform idea, auto rotating between fast and thinking modes, but the rollout stumbled. The messaging from Sam Altman set expectations sky high. He said PhD in your pocket, and the reality of the product experience is not saying that. It's like more having a high school student in your pocket. I'm not canceling my subscription today, but I'm definitely re-evaluating. If they want trust back, bring choice and personality, not just benchmarks. And I would like to know, what did you see with GPT-5? Is it smarter, flatter? Are you keeping plus or bouncing it? Please drop your experience below.